Hello everyone, it's Talisa at DIY Living by Talisa Lindsay. How are you? I'm having a great afternoon. You probably don't recognize me. I have my hair colored over the weekend. It's dark, but can you guys tell where I'm at from trying to get my ear situated in my mask? The background? Well, you can't really in this one. I'm at Dollar Tree. We had to go out and get my son a guitar, not a guitar, wrong choice of words, piano, thank you, son. And this one had a really big Dollar Tree right next to the piano store. So we had to make a visit. So you guys have to come along. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Oh, my husband's he's already helping me out. I'm in crazy world when it comes to Dollar Tree. You guys are too, right? Okay, let's check it out. These I would like to pick up, and I want to make these into little elf feet. I don't like them as the witch, but I would love them as elf feet. That would be really, really adorable. So, as long as they don't have a really long line, we might get those. These we can all spruce up really nice. You know what to do those. Those are the much larger ones, but these look really cute too as a angel head. If you want to make a big angel for your outdoor porch, they have little Santas that are so cute. Look at all this cute. Like I said, I don't know this Dollar Tree because it's my first time in here. So some of the stuff you might have that we've had at the other Dollar Tree as well. Hi, Deborah. Hi, Della. Hi, Cheryl. How is everyone? The star. This would be great if you're going to do a nativity set, and you can put it on the very top. They do have the cute ones. You want me to go that way? Okay. My husband's planning for me to go a certain direction, so hold on. Oh, yeah, but we're going to head over that way. These angel wings, oh my goodness, these are precious. Look at those. And these, we got to do something with angel wings. We should make a little angel with angel wings. Aren't those pretty? And then they have the trees, which I have those. Other little, you can wind up making a little scenery of some kind if you wanted to. I love these. Those are really pretty. A lot of other people love them too. And then some poinsettias. My husband, look, has gotten tons of ribbon that he's pointing out for me. Oh, yes. You're so silly. Oh, look. Look. I can make one of these, but look, if you get enough of these after Christmas, you can turn these to where you can make it to a big heart. See that? So you can make something for Valentine's Day. Let's see what else they have. Tons of ribbon here. How is everybody? Hi, Alice. How are you? They got a lot of ribbon up in here. My husband is playing a catch-all with those. It's like a kid now when I bring him. Look. Well, let's see it up close. Do it up close. That's cute. Those are really cute.
Mm-hmm, we got a bunch of them.
Let's see. I got those for when your dad passed away. Oh, Kimberly, that's so sweet. And then these are, I don't know if I picked up any of the bulbs here or not, but these are the very large ones. I really like these. I prefer the ones that come apart. These don't. So those you would have to do some kind of vinyl or stencil on. So I like the ones that come apart better. Okay, let's see. Oh, look, the little elf head. Let's see what my son, he's trying those out. Aren't you the cutest little elf? They have some more down here. The boys are joining me today. Your husband loves Dollar Tree? I don't know if my husband does or not. I think he just puts up with it for me, to be honest with you. I could use these trees right here, ladies. I could use these trees. I like these trees. Oh, they do have them. Oh, they have some red truck. They have some red truck in the autumn. Well, still, they got some red truck over there. We better check it out. Look at the little gingerbread houses. Now, I hope those are not edible because I don't think I would be saving them before Christmas. That's so cute. How's your bird doing? He survived through the night again, thank goodness. But he's still very weak. They have a few fall stuff. My husband was talking about this. They have the red truck stencil. You could turn those into jingle bells.
They're already jingle bells.
Well, this is what he was talking about. Yeah. Cute. They're almost out of their fall stuff, which is, I guess, a good thing. Okay. My husband's wanting to model some stuff for me today.
I ain't modeling.
You ain't modeling? The acorn. That's really pretty. Let's see. Oh, they have trees. Look. The trees are in with all the little ornaments.
I'm going to the candy aisle.
The candy aisle. Oh, I need some of these.
No shopping.
He told me I'm not allowed to shop.
This is a tutorial only.
Oh, goodness. I got some sucks. I can't take my husband anywhere, ladies. I don't even tell you. He probably is distracting me more than anything. This is a hot, stinking mess. That's a hot, stinking mess. See what else we got. Let's go back in the crafting section if they got one. That's the books. I am in North Lakeland. I'm normally not in North Lakeland. I guess you recognize the store, huh? They got a bunch of surfaces here for frames. They have a whole lot of them. I like this one. That's cute. I could redo this one for something, but that background's pretty. I just like it that it's oblong. See? It's odd shaped. That's why I like it. Oh, look, they have some of the wood pieces too. And I already have some of these. I was able to pick up the little roosters. So if you're looking for those, they're over here. That's not a bad sign. Look at that. That's a cute little sign for it to be a Dollar Tree. But that's wood. That is wood. No way. I could stencil over the top of that for something for the holidays. And the same thing with this one. Because you can't buy a piece of wood for $1. And look, this one's cute. It says the little things in life. You see that? That's adorable.
It's like a...
Those are like Victorian colors of ribbon right there. We got some... See, I told you my husband was helping. Galloway. Yes. I am on the one near Galloway. Alright, so let's see what else they have. Oh, these are cute. I haven't seen these before. You see that? It looks like the butterfly is a 3D butterfly. Alright. So, I think I have like 5 items in here. I'm doing good, ladies. I'm doing good. Just 5. Just 5. Crafting. Bunch of crafting. My husband is playing, but I'm going to have to tell you I'm disappointed in the store, though. It is not clean at all. They have tons of the ribbon down here I love. Look at that. That's really pretty. The small wreath rings. And a wood surface. That's tiny little shells there, darling.
Mm-hmm.
Are you amazed by them?
What
are you doing? My son's attacking me with some kind of picker-upper thing. Oh, look, you get 2 of them for $1. So you could get 2 of these. I didn't know, but you could make yourself a snowman. That would be a cute idea with these. That's really adorable. Okay. And then we have all this stuff. If you guys would sprinkle this over in one of the groups, I think in Dollar Tree, they probably would enjoy that so that they can see all the different ones in different locations. See, all this is just a mess, though. It's really a mess. They're over in the snack section right there. And then we have automotive and painting, which the only thing I probably need might be some caulk. They don't have it in the tube. That's what I need right here in the tube. So I could use this. They have some really pretty gift bags in here too. Those are cute. And I could use this. That. So, what's this? What is this? What's this right here, honey?
Canvas panel.
A canvas panel.
A canvas panel.
A cardboard thing.
Cardstock.
I've seen someone use that paint for something and I don't remember what it was. I saw that. Okay. And the glasses. You did miss a pumpkin chalk. It was messy. Oh. All right, ladies. That's really all I see in here, to be honest.
It's a small one.
It's a small one. There's a few things, but it's probably not something I would come back and visit on a regular basis. Yeah. So I hope that you were able to enjoy the small tour that was here. It's kind of small, but it's good. It's okay. I'm trying to see. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Look what we just found.
Like 50 million calendars.
Holy Toledo.
That's the mother load of calendars.
Look. As I was heading out, you guys love these calendars right here. Yes, the cows. They love them. So I guess we're going to have to get some more for the giveaways. That's crazy. But look, these are the ones that are down here. That one is the, what?
That's on the bottom.
Those are puppies and landscape. This one is horses and something else. And then this one is the same thing as what I have in the front. So, I know, you never know. Care Bear. I remember the Care Bear, watch it. Oh, that's the box we want.
I know, I'm getting to it.
Okay, let's check out that box.
I'm getting
Look at that box. Do you
I'm
see?
looking at the box. It's a box.
I know, but you know which ones we want? Nope.
Bible verses.
We want Market and Simply Blessed and Brave. So pull it out, baby.
There's a cow.
The cows, no.
Lighthouses. They're all gone.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
Oh my goodness, they are
They
gone.
are absolutely gone.
Dang it.
Yep, gone.
Oh, darn. We almost got them. We thought we had them. There's not any back
You've
there.
been shanghaied.
Check that one. Yep,
Nope.
and there's none back
Landscape.
there. Oh, well. That's okay.
Some up here.
You see any up there?
I'm working on it.
We're checking them all out to see. You just never know. You just never know.
Yep.
And those are the kitties. Darn. Son, pick up this, please, for me. Oh, thank you. I'm too old to get down. And then you looked at these two? Yeah. Darn. We tried, ladies, we tried. We thought we were going to be able to find the calendars, but they don't have them at the store. So the only ones they had was the animals. But I think I have plenty of the animals, so I'm not going to grab those. But I'll see you later on tonight around 8:30. I'll be on for a live, and we'll get on and do a DIY. So have a great evening and see you soon. Bye.